Hello and welcome to Jobs Mera. We have a new opportunity today from Google company which is recruiting for a, a student researcher 2024. The location is the Bangalore, Karnataka, India, and the position is the intern apprentice, and the deadline for this applications is 12 January 2024. And the apprentice program is required to locate in India for the duration of a engagement think, and the starting process application and need to CV and resume you will. Let's know about the look further and the maximum qualification for current enrollment and bachelor and PhD degree. I think यानी कि bachelor, master and PhD are eligible, and the fields computer science, linguistics and statics, biostatics, applied mathematics, operational research, economics, or natural science. Experience in one area in computer science, natural language, understanding a natural language and computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, algorithms, foundations, and data science and machine intelligence and artificial intelligence. This is the minimum qualifications, and let's know the look for the next is preferred qualification. Currently enroll in a full-time degree, yeah, and return to program after completion the internship and experience as a researcher's internship full-time and lab and experience contributions to research communicating and effort to including a publishing paper and conference or general, and the experience with a more general purpose programming language, which is the knowledge about the language is C, C++, Java, MATLAB, Go, Python, etc. And ability to design, execute a research agenda, ability to communicate in a fluently. And then let's know about the job. What is the role in this internship and apprentice for you? The student researcher program primary objective and hosted academic collaborations with the students through research and Google's Google's joins as a paid student researcher position as offered to opportunity to work directly on Google research scientists and engineers on the research object, and the students like know the student researcher program offer to more opportunity to research a student to work or on critical research project at Google in a less structured way, and the program along to opportunity beyond to limitation and traditional internship program as to accept such as the durations, time committed, and the completion location with the so you will be read all the points before application apply and the responsibilities. Let's know let's know and read the participating researchers research to develop solutions for real world large scale problem, and the I think experience level is freshers. The 2020 until 2024 batch are eligible, and the pay scale I think range 10 to 12 LPA, and the deadline is 12 January last for applying, and everything is I think covered. So you will go and apply as possible, and if you have any query then comment me and I will respond promptly. And for applying you simply click on the apply link, apply button, and you will transfer the applying applying form. So you will fill the all input fields carefully and submit the form. After that, you will applying this form. So if you have any query, then comment me, and this is a big opportunity for to all 2020 2024 batches, and go and apply. So let's meet to next opportunity. So thank you all of you.